Okay, this is another small collection of things that I've made. This plate, which is very thin, actually came from the same cherry tree as the big bowls did. But again, you can see the grain in it, and it is very thin. I think it started out going to be something else, but that's what it ended up as. This is an urn that I turned. A turned urn. But this, you can open this up and it's hollow down inside of it. It's about 12 inches tall. But I tried to match the grain with the lid on it, so. But it was all turned out of the same piece of cherry. Several really big logs, and I used my chainsaw to cut them up into smaller pieces that I could work with. These next couple things are from, again, they're cherry, but they came from a neighbor's tree. This is a part of a burl that was growing out of the side of that tree. You can see the way the cells grew inside the tree. Burl is just an outgrowth on a tree. They're not only in cherry trees, but oak trees. But this is a flatter plate, similar to the other one. The grain pattern is just beautiful. It's kind of like leather. This next bowl was from a bigger piece of the burl. Again, these things change shape as you're turning it. When they're turned from green wood, some of the bark you can see. Again, this is from the burl. Okay, and this bowl is about 4.5 inches tall, I think. I'll get another collection of items and show you some more. That is pretty. Some of it split as it was drying off, but not bad enough to affect the looks of it. I think that just adds to the looks. I'll get another collection and be right back.